Hi, thanks for tuning in to this really quick tip that I'm going to share with you today. So we've got some pure cream coconut, 2 blocks. You can buy them in so many supermarkets here in the UK. I've not seen them out in Asia, so I must say we're blessed in the UK to be able to purchase these because I really missed them. The time I lived in Asia for 5 years, I couldn't find any. But on the other hand, we did have freshly squeezed coconut milk from the market. But anyway, I'm going to show you how to make coconut milk from these 2 blocks. So I'm making a litre of coconut milk, so 200 grams will do half a litre of coconut milk. So we just need to unpackage them and just take them out of the packet, just cut them down and simply peel the plastic off. Just a little observation, you've got pure coconut oil at the top and then you've got your coconut cream below. The kettle just boiled. Another little tip, you've got this coconut oil on top. If you wanted to, save your coconut oil, that you can fry with this. So we just need to coarsely chop the coconut. The smaller you chop it, the quicker it'll dissolve in the hot water. Particularly good for cakes as well. So I'm just going to put this coconut into a pan. I've saved the coconut oil for my rice and peas recipe. A litre of water straight from the kettle. And we just need to use a whisk or a spoon and just keep stirring until all the coconut's dissolved. And literally after 30 seconds your coconut milk is now lump free. It's been diluted with water, it won't set hard. If you want thicker coconut cream, you can either reduce this coconut milk in the cooking process or you can add less water. It all depends on your preference. So thank you very much for watching. Feel free to like, share and subscribe. Got some great recipes coming up. All the best.